Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SOUNDCORE Liberty 3 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues. At first enter settings and in these settings go to connect devices, scroll all the way down to connection preferences, click on it and go to Bluetooth. Disable it for 10 seconds and then enable it back on. Now check if you can connect to your headphones. If you can, that's great, but if you can't, you have to do a soft reset. To do so, close the case of your headphones for half of a minute and then open it back on. Then check if you can pair with your headphones. If it doesn't help you, you just have to perform a hard reset. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.